गुड नमस्ते, प्रणाम, सत श्री अकाल, आदाम, सलाम, सभी को साक्षात प्रणाम. Myself Daniel Peter. Today I am bringing you the video about the aircraft fuel tank and wing tank, how to access the fuel tanks. Okay, that is about the fuel tank safety training. First of all, you will ensure that the fuel tank safety training, that proper overall oxygen mask should be provided. Okay, so this is in the case of a fuel tank. We will see over here. This is called as the this is the gasket seal, and this is the fuel tank access panel on the wing. Here a person can remove this panel by the speed handle by technician, and he can access around the wing also. Okay, we check the corrosion, we check the corrosion, and we take the samples fuel. But first, when we will fuel tank should be dry up. Before entering to the fuel tank, we must ensure that the fuel system is dry. But how the fuel wing tank is dry? Because in the case of here fuel tank, this is access panel. Suppose this is a wing, aircraft wing fuel tank. Okay, so here in this panel, here we install a funnel. What we install? A funnel. So this funnel will vent out, vent means बाहर निकालना. हाँ, जो गैसेज होती है, कोरोसिव फ्यूम्स गैसेज होती है फ्यूल टैंक के अंदर, उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए हमें फनल का यूज़ किया जाता है. और फनल किससे कनेक्ट होता है? मेन कार्ट से कनेक्ट होता है. ये होता है, इसे बोलते हैं कार्ट. और कार्ट क्या करता है? प्रेशराइज्ड नाइट्रोजन सब सप्लाई करता है, प्रेशराइज्ड एयर सप्लाई करता है. और ये पूरे फनल को, एंड दिस रिमूव द कोरोसिव फ्यूम्स इनसाइड द टैंक. सो व्हेन द कोरोसिव फ्यूम्स आर रिमूव्ड बाय द फनल, then a person, a technician wear the overall, and in the wheel well area there is one aircraft area. What is the wheel well area? There is on the wheel well area, there is also a fuel tank access panel. So we remove this panel by using the speed wrench, and the person goes crawling like a soldier inside the fuel tank. So this is about the fuel tank accessing. Now, what is one procedure is called as the fuel jettison. What is a fuel jettison? To remove the fuel, excessive fuel, that can add the weight to the aircraft. Okay, from the fuel tank. To remove the excessive fuel from the fuel tank, we do a procedure called as a fuel jettison. It has a fuel jettison nozzle attached to the tip of the wing, and from the nozzle we drain all the dumped fuel, which is unnecessary fuels. Okay, all the fuel, unnecessary fuel, passenger compartment, everything are the part of the empty weight. In empty weight everything includes. Okay, now the fuel used in the aircraft is a jet A. Most commonly used is the jet A fuel. Okay, now in the wing there is one valve called as a flapper valve. The purpose of this valve is to provide to maintain the fuel flow inboard of the aircraft, so that the fuel should not transfer the outboard of the aircraft. Because if the fuel is transferred from on the outboard of the aircraft, it can affect the stability of the aircraft. So the flapper valve purpose is to maintain the inboard flow of the aircraft. The flapper valve is located on the wing only. Okay, now this is all about the fuel tank safety training, the fuel jettison, the flapper valve, and how to access the fuel tank, and how to the vent system are removed. Okay, I hope you have understood this about the fuel tank safety training. Thank you so much. Video. Jai Hind. Take care. Be happy. Stay happy. And stay positive.